The Rollo Wireless Shipping Label Printer is a compact direct thermal printer built for e-commerce and package shipping use. It eliminates the need for ink or toner and supports wireless printing via Wi-Fi and AirPrint, making it suitable for printing 4x6 shipping labels from a variety of devices and operating systems, printing technology, and media. This printer uses direct thermal printing technology, meaning it prints by applying heat to special thermal paper, no ink, toner, or ribbon required. It supports labels with widths from 1.57 in 4 cm up to 4.1 in 10.4 cm, so you can use standard 4x6 labels as well as narrower custom labels. The print resolution is 203 dpi, which is carrier approved for shipping labels. Print speed and capacity. The Rollo Wireless model can print at about 150 mms, which translates to roughly 1 4x6 label per second under optimal conditions. The print head is rated to last for approximately 650,000 labels, 327,060 feet of label stock, before needing replacement or reaching end of usable life. Connectivity and device support. Wireless connectivity is a core feature. The printer supports Wi-Fi and is AirPrint certified, allowing direct printing from iPhone, iPad, and Mac devices without requiring drivers. For other devices like Android, Windows, Linux, and Chromebooks, it works over Wi-Fi and also supports USB as a fallback. The device is designed to be driver-free in many cases, meaning setup is simplified. Label handling and calibration. The Rollo Wireless Printer features automatic label gap detection, so you don't have to manually calibrate for label size changes. It accommodates both roll, fan-fold labels and drop-in label formats. The printer is compact and lightweight. Its dimensions are about 8 in X4 and X4 in, and it weighs around 3 in short. The Rollo Wireless Shipping Label Printer is a powerful, compact solution for printing 4x6 shipping labels across many devices and platforms. Its direct thermal technology, driver-free setup, high speed, and broad compatibility make it attractive for e-commerce users. While wireless connectivity adds convenience, be mindful of potential setup quirks or noise.